everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm just going to do a quick little video on an easier way to remove the fog light bulbs in a 2010 to 2012 Ford Fusion. I haven't seen this method done. If you know, I may have just missed it, but this is what I stumbled across. Now normally the way you would do this, you would just remove these little plastic pins. There's 3 on the wheel well you got to take off, and there's 2 more underneath, and also there's a couple 7mm bolts to remove as well. And you'll basically just pull this back, and then you just reach in and grab the bolt from there. And probably be a little easier if you turn the wheel to the right as well, to the opposite direction to get to it. Or you could just do it from underneath the car, and you know, just jack up one side of the car and just reach underneath and grab it. But this was an easier way that I stumbled across, so I just wanted to share it with you guys. It may be a lot more convenient to you, because this literally took me seconds to change the bulb at this point, instead of going through, you know, the normal procedure. So the only thing you're gonna need for this task is a flathead screwdriver. Okay, that's literally the only thing you're gonna need besides the bulb and whatever, you know, whether it's an LED or HID or whatever you want to put in there. So the way you're gonna do this, you're gonna take your flathead screwdriver and just carefully pry around. If you get one end loose, just hold it. As you go along, just keep holding it so that it doesn't fall back in. All right. And eventually it'll give. You'll feel it start to snap out. You're just gonna pop this bezel back. And so you want to do it carefully so you don't scratch the paint. All right. Bezel's loose. So once it's loose from this corner, you're really just gonna pull it back gently, and then it'll come off. There it is. All right, now once you're inside, excuse the soap, I just finished washing the car. This is the actual fog light assembly itself. Okay, you're gonna see 2 little pins right here. You're gonna squeeze together, and squeeze that together, and this layer gonna pull right out, and there you go. So I have an HID bulb in here right now, but it's literally that easy. You know, 2 to 3 minute job. Change out the bulb that you want to put in here, and in here is a H8/H11. They're both the same type of bulb. And then when you're done, reverse process. Just make sure, you know, you put this side in first. This is basically gonna just go in like so. Clips back in. Put the bezel back on. Make sure you do this side in first. Make sure that's in nice and flush, and then just press it back on so it clips together. It's a little bit difficult to do with just one hand, so I'm gonna set the camera down here now. So like I said, this side goes in first. Just position them properly. Press firmly. That's it. Slides back in. Job done. And then we're gonna take the key. Since the fog lights only work with the ignition on, and there you have it. And the passenger side is the exact same process. So I hope this was very helpful to you guys. This was the simplest and easiest way that I stumbled across how to change out the fog light bulbs on a 2010 to 2012 Ford Fusion. If this was helpful to you, definitely leave me a thumbs up, and share with some of your friends, and subscribe to the channel, because I got a lot more stuff coming for you guys. Alrighty. Oh, and Merry Christmas, everybody. Thank you for watching.